Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Microsoft AppSource for data easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Microsoft AppSource for data, begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type appsource.microsoft.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button located in the top right corner. Click on the sign in button to proceed. If you already have a Microsoft account, enter your credentials and log in. If you do not have an account, select the option to create a new one. Follow the prompts to fill in your personal information, including name and email address. Verify your email address through the link sent to your inbox. After logging in, navigate to the Partner Center by searching for it in the menu or scrolling down. Inside the Partner Center, locate the Dashboard section. Click on the Product option in the Dashboard menu. Select Add a new product to begin registration. You will be prompted to choose the type of product you wish to register. Fill out the required fields, including name, description, and category of your product. Upload any necessary images or media that represent your product. Review the terms and conditions, and ensure you agree to them. Once you've completed all fields, click on the Submit button. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your submission is being reviewed. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your product registration status. If approved, your product will be listed on Microsoft AppSource. You can now manage your product and view analytics through your Partner Center dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.